Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how companies and employees can prepare for an ever-changing work environment. The rapid adoption of technologies such as artificial intelligence and automation is redefining how we work, offering enormous opportunities, but also significant challenges. The image shows the cycle of adaptation needed to cope with these changes, from skills development to building organizational resilience. If you want to learn how to adapt and thrive in the digital age, stay until the end of the video. Key skills development for the new economy can be technology and digital skills. Digital competencies such as the management of analytics and programming platforms are essential to stay relevant in the digital economy. For example, marketers who master Google Analytics can optimize digital campaigns and make data-driven decisions. The benefit can be increases employability and allows employees to take on emerging roles in technology sectors, critical thinking and problem solving. In an environment where AI automates repetitive tasks, these skills enable complex problem solving and strategic decision making. For example, a data analyst interprets machine learning models to provide valuable recommendations. The benefit can be that it facilitates innovation within organizations. Interpersonal skills and collaboration. The ability to work in multidisciplinary teams and communicate effectively is increasingly valuable. For example, in technology, developers who collaborate closely with designers and analysts improve project outcomes. Therefore, fostering a culture of continuous learning derives in training and development programs. Companies should invest in programs that prepare their employees for future challenges. For example, AT&T offers courses in artificial intelligence and data analytics to keep its workforce up to date. The benefit can be that it improves talent retention and ensures competitiveness in the digital age growth mindset. Fostering a mindset that sees challenges as learning opportunities facilitates the adoption of new technologies. For example, Google implements growth mindset programs to encourage personal and professional development, innovation spaces. Providing time and resources for employees to experiment with new technologies fosters creativity. For example, 3M allows its employees to dedicate 15% of their time to innovative projects, which gave rise to the Post-it note. Building organizational resilience is influenced by agile organizational structures. Organizations with flat hierarchies and autonomous teams can adapt more quickly to market changes. For example, Spotify uses squads that make decisions independently, adapting to emerging needs, change management strategies. Communicating the benefits of new technologies and supporting employees in the transition is critical to minimize resistance. For example, Siemens implemented workshops to prepare its staff for significant technological change. Continuous assessment and trend anticipation. Monitoring technology and market trends allows companies to proactively adjust their strategies. For example, IBM conducts regular surveys to identify opportunities for innovation. Preparing for continuous change requires a strategic approach that combines skills development, fostering a culture of learning and building organizational resilience. Companies and employees that adopt these strategies will be better positioned to thrive in the digital age. If you want to develop strategies to prepare your organization for technological changes, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we'll design a plan tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.